today we're gonna do I'm gonna show you about Taal Volcano. I did share this before, but I didn't really get a lot of views on that one, so I'm gonna delete the old video and then put a new one. So here it is.
Flashback.
So here's it says it happened in November 19, 2016. And I thought Taal Volcano is, we don't have to, like, when you drive there, it's there already, but we actually have to ride a boat to get to Taal Volcano. So time it was a little bit cloudy. It's not it wasn't bad. It wasn't raining either at the beginning, but then it did, you know, the sun did come up. So when you get there, you have the choice to walk or ride a horse. It take about, they say it will take about 1 hour to go up to the Taal crater. So my family choose horse riding. So we did. I did feel bad for the horses, so I'm sorry. Get there, it's really beautiful. So this view, you cannot even see it anymore. It's gone. It's completely gone, and I'm glad that I went there before the eruption. So I want an update actually what Taal Volcano looks like now. So ayan po, my husband brought a drone and he was the one flying this drone. So ang ganda talaga. It's so nice to see this view. So nice to be there, not just by the book, but you actually saw it. The tour guide will help you with taking pictures. You do have to pay for the horse per person. I'm not sure. I can't really remember how much it cost. You can also stop by and they have snacks there. You can buy. There's a lot of buko juice over there as well. I was really sad when I heard the news that the volcano erupted, and when you see the pictures, that was devastating. And I don't know, it's like this is a tourist spot and now it's gone. So sad.
End of flashback.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na.